Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. On the previous tutorial, I showed you how to knit a new technique, short row. And while I was at it, I said I'm going to do another tutorial right after this on how to start up without seaming. There's a line, but it's not a seam. I just want to let you know. So it's nice and soft. It's not like this one. I should have thought about this, but you don't think about it until, see, that's seamed. Well, I picked up stitches, so it's like seamed. So I don't want that feeling, so I figured out how to do it. And so every time I start it, I forget how to do it. So I'm going to look at the video that I've been watching. It's one of my socks, toe up socks. Socksmiths, yeah, let's say it that way. And while I was at it, I'm going to start a new project. And I'm going to start with the pink. But I forgot to... I cake it! Oh my goodness. Yeah, I need to cake this before I start. Oh, Jesus. Okay, let me... I'm just going to make a ball. Totally forgot. Where's my winder? It should be right here somewhere because I always leave it where I can see it. Because I never know what I'm going to do, right? So, yeah, let me, these are 100% Angora Rabbit hand spun yarn. And I wanted to ply it with white. And I'm going to use that method that I did on the cowl. It's just the two tutorials, I believe, so you can go and check it. So I'm going to use smaller needles, regular needles on this, and then bigger needles on this that I have spun for a customer. And these are extras that I did. They are bulky, so I will be knitting with bulky, chunky, big needles. Okay, I totally forgot this. Let me make a ball, and I'll be right back. And yeah, so this is going to be a new technique that I will share with you. And it's very, very nice and smooth. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I grabbed the 7mm here. I didn't want to use the 8 because with the bigger, yeah, thicker, bulky yarn, I'm going to be knitting with size 9. So that's US 13, I believe. So there has to be at least two size difference. Okay, so I'm going to grab my yarn. So I'm going to cast on total of, yeah, 10 would be too much. I don't want it that thick. 10, I'm just thinking. Let's do 8. Because this is a worsted yarn. Okay, I don't know why it's not focusing. Here we go. Focus finally. Okay, so this technique is from the sock that you start top down, toe up. I'm sorry, not top down. I've been doing lots of top down. Okay, so we're gonna hold our knitting needles like this, and then too much traffic where I live. And then the yarn like this is how I'm holding. Okay, I'm gonna go as slow as I can. Okay, just like this. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to put the yarn between the needle like this, like this. And then I'm going to pull it down. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is this top is going to go to the bottom needle like this. Okay. So we have one stitch. And then the bottom yarn here is going to go up to this needle. And that is going to be like this. You go in between and pull it up, and then pull it down. Okay, so we have 2 on top, and from this one I'm gonna go underneath, on top, and between, and then pull it back up again, just like this. And then I am going to go in between again, pull it up, and then go under like this. And then this one is the same. Pull it up. So we have 3. Bottom up, go between, underneath, between, bottom up. And don't forget to count. We have to count 2, 4, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 7, and one more between, and then we should have total of 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. You can go to settings and you can slow the speed, but I tried to do my best to slow it down. Okay, so we have 8, and I'm sure 8 would be enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start knitting. This is the fun part. So I'm going to turn my knitting needle like this. And then what I'm going to do is my tail, where's my tail? My tail has to be at the bottom. And then my working yarn is going to be like this on the top. So pull that up just like this. So hold it like this. Okay, so this is the tail. It's pretty long. Yeah. I don't want to waste the yarn. You know what? I'm going to restart and do the same, and I'll try to use small, because this is hand spun Angora yarn, right? I don't want to waste it. So I'll be right back. Okay, this is way better because I don't want to waste the yarn. I'm going to be knitting all of this. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to tie this just to be on the safe side because I don't want to lose anything. And it's already short here, so I'll just tie it. Okay. And I'll try to weave this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start knitting. That's all we're going to do. We're going to start knitting. So we're going to start knitting. I'm just going to pull this. I'm just going to do rib. 1 knit, 1 purl. Okay. So the first stitch, I'll just purl it because this is the first stitch. Purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, and then the last one is a knit. Okay, so I'm going to turn my work just regular, and you will automatically notice that there are stitches on the bottom. So I just slide this as to purl, and then I knit, purl, knit. That's all I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna knit the length that I need, and I'm planning to make this for a medium to large size, so it will fit even if a small size wants to buy it. I'm gonna post this on my Etsy shop, and yeah, because I don't have enough yarn to make for a plus size. So if I make it between medium to large, so I'm starting the next row as if the purl gives me this nice edge. So I will make a size between medium to large, small, extra small, small size, medium size, large size can wear this garment, this cardigan that I'm going to be knitting. Okay, so I will knit. It's the same technique, and I already have a tutorial, so I'm not going to go over how to come back and knit. So what you do is you knit, you cut your yarn, and then you make a knot, and then you knit this. And I already have a tutorial for that, and I will pin it. Yeah, that's what I'll do on the comment section, so you will know. But this is a new technique how to start up, so it has no harsh, when you touch it, it's nice and soft. That's what I'm aiming for, because I really don't like this feeling when you touch this right here. See how you know, because I picked up stitches, and what happens is it gives me that seam looking, which is, it's not a seam, but here even here I picked up stitches, but as you can see it gives you that yeah, that like it was seamed, that feeling. So this way you won't feel that. I am so sorry, it's so loud. Yeah, so this is just a short tutorial. So I started up this, and as soon as I finish my order, I will work on this. If I need to come back, I will do. I will show you techniques. But other than that, it's the same technique that I'm going to be knitting for. You know what? I will come and show you, because I have lost lots of followers who are wondering, always asking how to knit up. So yeah, this is how you knit up. Okay, and I'll be coming back to show you more techniques, tutorials. Okay, and so nice and soft. Yeah, you guys take care, and I'll see you on my next tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you from me to watch. You guys take care. Happy knitting. Bye-bye.